In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all data on Duolingo. If you're ready to permanently remove your information and close out your Duolingo presence, I'll walk you through the exact path inside the website and what to expect along the way. Start by opening Duolingo in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the account you want to erase. On the left side of the screen, look for the More option and click it. From that menu, choose Settings to open your account settings. Inside Settings, select the Profile section. Here you'll find an option labeled Delete My Account. Click that and Duolingo will direct you to its data portal, sometimes called the drive-through. On the data portal, you'll see a section called Access Personal Data. If you want a copy of your data before you erase anything, click that. Duolingo will gather your information into a downloadable zip file and send you an email with instructions when it's ready. This collection can take up to 30 days, so keep that timing in mind if you plan to download your data first. If you don't need a copy, you can skip ahead to the erase option. When you're ready to proceed with deletion, return to the data portal's main page and choose Erase Personal Data. Read the information on this screen carefully. Clicking the Erase button will delete your Duolingo account and also remove associated accounts across Duolingo for Schools, Duolingo ABC, and the Duolingo English Test. All of your personal data and activity will be erased, including your courses, streaks, progress, achievements, purchases, and any test records. This action is permanent and cannot be undone. If you're sure, click Erase Personal Data to confirm. Follow any prompts that appear on screen. In some cases, processing the deletion request can take time as Duolingo's systems complete the removal across services. You may receive emails with updates about the status of your request. While that's happening, it's best not to sign back into the account you're trying to erase. That's the full process. To recap the path, open Duolingo, go to More, then Settings, select Profile, choose Delete My Account, visit the data portal, optionally request Access Personal Data if you want a downloadable copy, and finally select Erase Personal Data to confirm the deletion. Take a moment to be certain before you confirm and keep an eye on your inbox for any follow-up messages from Duolingo about your request.